Okay, hello everyone, how you are doing? Hope you are doing great. Okay, so today we'll be doing a quick one. We'll be aligning a 3D scan, that is aligning it to proper coordinates. We'll be working on this particular 3D model. It's called the Drain Vassal 1 connector. So basically today we'll be renting a 3D scan file and having it in proper coordinates so you can use it on a CAD modeling software, say SolidWorks, Vision 360, and the likes. So when you scan a particular data, you get to align it in a or orient it in the right coordinate or coordinate system so you can reverse engineer or do whatever you want to do with it on CAD. So today we'll get to see how we can align this using this quality suit. Mm. It used to be gum inspect. So you can go to their website too, and you can download the free version of it. So that allows you to be able to align your STL, reduce the mesh sizes, fill up holes, and that's it. Okay, so we're opening it. Let's see what it has for us. Okay, so we'll click on new project. So while it comes up, all right, so this is the interface. um so this is our item, our 3D scan file. So this scan file was gotten from Artec Artec 3D. You can go to their website too, and they have quite a number of scan data which you can use and download. Okay, then I think this is used to wash, drain, I don't know, sinks or something. But anyway, uh, basically we're working on the scan data to align it. So this is where we have our item. So this is 73 megabytes, and I think maybe in another video we'll get to look at how we reduce the size. So drag it into the interface. Click on new parts. Click OK, and it will load in. So okay, so this is the interface, and so you can see it does have a quite nice details on it. In most parts you don't even need this so much number of details. In some cases, not all cases, but okay. So click on 321 alignment. So okay, so we'll click on 321. So that's what we'll be using, 321. And with that, you get select various parts. Basically parts that are perpendicular, kind of perpendicular to each other. Select this control. Let's select this part. So hold down control. Then let's select here. So basically parts that are at 90, I think, though I doubt if this is actually at 90, but let's see. So now let's look at, oh, okay, uh so it didn't really come out quite well. um okay, now you can see it's not really facing, it's not facing the way I want it anyway. So what we're gonna do, we'll get to delete this alignment and we'll repeat it again. Okay, where do we go to? So click on so we'll click in here, click on parts, click on align, initial alignment. So 3 2 1 alignment, and we delete it. Okay, so it's back to the initial scan coordinates. So we'll do it again. So create alignment 3 2 1. So let's see now, what surface do we pick? Yes, hold on, control. Okay, we have these 3 faces. Let's see what other face can we pick. Okay, I need somewhere that's fairly aligned. Now this part has various drafts, just little drafts, so I think it was made from a mold. So definitely to have some fairly degree of depth so it can come out of the mold. But okay, let's pick here. Okay, we have 2. I need one more surface. More surface. Alright, let's see here. I hope this works. Okay, so see, so now you can see this is good. So it's nice. So basically that's how you align your parts on Zesis or Gum Inspect. You can go to their website, download a free version. Okay, so it's all about picking the right surfaces and getting it right. So in another video, we'll look at how we reduce the mesh sizes and still be able to work with it on for reverse engineering or whatever you want to do with it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.